Welcome back to Glowing Rose Academy English classes. Class 8. In English, student, today I will tell you the question answer of your second lesson, the tsunami. In its previous video, students, I had told you the summary of first part of the tsunami, and today I will teach you that how we will answer these questions and why these questions are true, why these are false. Page number 27. Your question is, say whether the following are true or false. Students, in these questions you have only to answer that are these questions, are these sentences are true or false. Okay? Now see the first question. Ignatius lost his wife, 2 children, his father-in-law and his brother-in-law in the tsunami. Students, its answer will be true. Why? Because I have told you in the summary of this part that Ignatius was a man who lives in Andaman Nicobar Island. Early in the morning, one day his wife at 6 a.m. told him that there is tremor, there is earthquake. Then Ignatius got up early in the morning. He put his television on the ground and then he started to running away with his 2 children and wife. And then again a very high tiding was coming from the sea to the house of Ignatius. Actually, Ignatius had tried to save his wife and children, but it was such a tremor, such a tsunami, that Ignatius and his wife, his father-in-law and brother-in-law were running in opposite direction of tsunami, and Ignatius was running to the opposite direction of them. That's why Ignatius' wife, his 2 children, his father-in-law and brother-in-law were died in the tsunami. And your question is, Ignatius lost his wife, 2 children, father-in-law and brother-in-law in the tsunami. Yes, it is true that Ignatius has lost his wife, 2 children, father-in-law and brother-in-law in the tsunami. Okay? Now second question. Sanjeev made it to safety. Sanjeev made it to safety after the tsunami. Sanjeev was a policeman and he did not made it safety after tsunami. Sanjeev had made safety before tsunami. He went with his wife and a child. He was a policeman, very brave. And first of all, Sanjeev saved his wife and his daughter. So, your question is, Sanjeev made it to safety after the tsunami, not after tsunami. Sanjeev has saved his family and safety before the tsunami. So, this is false. Third one, Meghna was saved by a relief helicopter. It is false. Meghna was an 11-year-old girl. She also swept away with 70 people in the tsunami. Actually, students, Meghna was sitting on a wooden door, that door which we generally see in our houses. and she was floating on that door. Meghna saw relief helicopter 3 times from the sea where she was floating. Meghna also cried for help to the relief helicopters, but the rescue men who were sitting on relief helicopter, they did not see Meghna. So Meghna was not saved by relief helicopter. And your question is, Meghna was saved by a relief helicopter? No, Meghna was not saved by a relief helicopter. So this your answer is false. Fourth one, Alma's father realized that a tsunami was going to hit the island. Yes, true. Alma's father saw that a very high tiding from the sea was coming. So, on seeing this, Alma's father at once realized that yes, now tsunami is coming to the island. So, this your answer is true. Yes, Alma's father had seen. Okay. Now, 5 number, her mother and aunts were washed away with the tree that they were holding on. And what had happened in that? Actually, Alma's mother and his aunts had got stuck on a coconut tree, and this coconut tree was uprooted in the tsunami, and they were sitting on that coconut tree and they were floating. And your question is, her mother and aunts were washed away with the tree that they were holding on. Yes, because they were sitting on a coconut tree and they were washed away with that tree. So this your answer is correct. Okay students, this is your question answer of your comprehension check, page number 27, the tsunami lesson 2nd part 1st, class 8. And now the question answer of all these questions in written form is also attached with your this video link. You can see question answer of these questions in written form from the link of this video. Thanks for classes. You complete it and write down in your copy and send your copy for checking. Okay. That's why. Thanks for classes.